Hi Connor, I'm just wanting to look at the standard deviation solution that you got here for number 3. You're not using the correct formula here. When you start finding standard deviation, you actually are using variance here. You start with the squared of the formula, so you should start with sigma squared. And when you work all this out, you should be squaring the difference between the mean and your data values. The n on the bottom here, the n refers to the number of data values that you have, and I notice that you've substituted in the mean value for that, and that's not quite correct, okay? So when you're doing the standard deviation calculation, actually in this case it's the variance calculation, then you need to start off with the proper formula, which is the sigma squared equals the sum, sorry that looks like a G, the sum of your x value minus your mean squared over n, which is the number of data values that you have. And so there's 20 data values here, so you should be dividing by 20 on the bottom, and all of these values on the top should be the mean minus the data value minus the mean, and then squared to get rid of the negative. So it's just kind of a happy accident. I think that you landed on 2.05, which is the same as the answer here, because you're dividing by 59, which is not the correct value for n anyway down here. So it just kind of all worked out that way. If you can go back and have a look through the examples again and make sure you know how to do this before the unit test, that would be really helpful.